Unemployment is in the back of every student's mind in Spain.
I'm majoring engineer.
I'm studying biology in UB.
Catalan philology.
I'm studying English.
I'm studying management.
I'm studying law. It's my final year.
No matter what they're studying, the future seems to be uncertain.
When I graduate, I'm planning of doing a master.
I want to do a course so I can be a teacher later, a real teacher.
Want to keep studying, maybe some master or post-graduation. I don't know, but I want to keep studying.
I don't want to depend on my parents, so I want to look for a job, and I would like to study history, but I also want to have a job and study both.
Students are thinking of backup plans to overcome the circumstances.
I think that we are on the top of unemployment in Europe.
It's sad that there are no jobs.
I hope I'll find something. If not, I'll have to go to another country. But maybe that will be difficult for me because, for example, if I go to England, for example, or to the US, I mean, they would prefer a native speaker than me. So, I don't know.
Because with my degree, I don't have many possibilities outside, but I don't mind working in some things that I haven't studied.
I would like to go to work abroad because I think that there are more opportunities there than here. But if I could find a job here, that would be great because I love sun and I think that Spain has the best weather, but maybe it doesn't have the best opportunities to work here.